attorney here in the state of Florida. I am from LCO Law. We would love if you would subscribe to this channel if you find our videos are helpful, useful to your real estate business. So you can subscribe. Today, I wanted to talk to you about a very important topic, something that landlords often overlook, and that is requests for repairs as well as waivers when it comes to rental payments. So some of the things that really prolong eviction cases, which are easily preventable and very commonly made as mistakes by landlords, which I'd like to help you guys resolve, is the two habits that landlords tend to have that just make things go awry in eviction cases. So number one, are you getting the repair requests in writing? And how quickly are you acting upon those requests? Under Florida statute, you have 7 days in which to respond to written requests for repairs. And in that time, when you have written requests, you should be making sure that you have somebody go to the property, schedule the repair, and get it fixed as soon as possible. If you are responding to oral requests for repairs, those are not requests that are compliant with the statute. And if somebody tells you, if your tenant tells you that they're going to withhold rent based on an oral request for rent, then they are violating Florida statutes and violating the requirements for them to notify you that something needs to be repaired. So on the other hand, when it comes to rent, there's so many times that tenants make late payments, and instead of making very strict requirements of those, whether it's 3 days to pay or 5 days to pay, however your lease is written, for the tenant to make payments, if you're regularly accepting payments on the 8th, on the 10th, on the 15th of the month, you've essentially waived those lease terms. And the courts have often found that in those cases where it's 3, 4, 5, 6 times where you've accepted late payments, even if they pay in full, that's now become your contract term. So it's no longer due on the 1st of the month. It's due on the 8th, it's due on the 10th, it's due on the day you regularly accept those payments. And your 3-day notices are going to have to reflect that to be effective. So those are a couple of the things that I wanted to address today regarding waivers and written requests for repairs, because those are two of the biggest causes for delays in eviction proceedings. And if you want a speedy eviction of somebody that's either breached their contract or stopped making rent payments, you need to make sure that all of your T's are crossed and your I's are dotted. All right, my name is Natalia Willette. I'm a Florida real estate attorney and estate planning attorney here in the state of Florida. And I wanted to say good luck out there, investors.